Welcome to the Cooler Reports. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a bakery display cases. You can put the pastries, cakes, or any beverages or drinks you want to put the sodas. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For the unit's entire length, it's about like a 47 inches. And the overall height is about like a 53.5 inches. For the stage, from the bottom to the edge, about like a 19 inches. And the depth of the unit is about like a 29.5 inches deep. This is the overall size for the units. For the back side of the units, we can see they have two sliding doors. And all the shelvings, they are all stainless steels. And each layers, they are adjustable. And we're looking down the units, you can see we have a controllers and power switch and LED lights. And they come in with the stickers on the side. They have in diagrams and also the ETL and SF sanitation stickers on it too. And also they're using the standard 110 plugs, US standard 110 plugs. And let's take the inner side dimensions. For these shelvings, they are almost like 17 inches deep. Inner side of the unit is about like a 43 inches wide. And the overall heights, they are about like a 30 inches. For the entry, the door, they will be 17 inches wide. That's what will be the all information about the inner side. Thank you for watching these videos, and this is all information about our products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.